Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terese, and if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to tune in. Yes, Coco is super excited, as you can hear him right now. Yes, and the person that I talked to on the phone said the same thing as well. Oh my gosh, you should hear him. Gosh, I'm so distracted by my hair today. I did dye it. It's a little bit darker than I thought, but it was starting to get like really brassy. So today we're going to do a mini tutorial of my kitchen. I changed some things around. Yes, Coco, they are really excited. So anyways, let's get started. I'm going to take this down. I believe I did get this at Home Goods. I actually have two of them. Since I dropped everything on the floor. This wire I did get from the Dollar Tree, and I simply twisted several layers. And I was going to hang this under my desk, but it was actually too big. And just make sure that you measure twice. And I use these little hooks. These actually hold about 20 or 30 pounds, and they leave just a tiny little hole in your wall. And this I actually got at Home Goods. I got this at Hobby Lobby. Yes, I did get this at Hobby Lobby. And I think this is going to be hung here to stay. I really do like it. Just cleaning it off a little bit. I think it looks so cute. And I really do like it. I actually don't hardly drink coffee at all, but I thought this was so cute, and yeah, I like it. Just a couple of knickknacks and a hang. Don't even think about it, Barbie. Always has to see what's going on. So I really don't like a lot of items on the shelf. These are the only things that I could find right now that actually will fit, because this is not really a lot of height, but I think they look really cute. Look how cute you are. Yes. Sweetie? Oh. I think oh, that's you up there. Yes, this one is very vocal. Yes. Hi. I'm still in the process of decorating the kitchen, but this one is what it looks like for right now. I feel it's still a little bit cluttered, but these are the plants that I really have to keep an eye on, because I need a lot of water, most of them anyways. And I put this rooster up here. I really like the French country shabby chic decor, and I don't really have a lot of space to put items, and again, I really just don't like it to look really cluttered, so that'll stay there for right now. So my kitchen island is definitely a work in progress. It's a little messy right now, but this is what I got at Cracker Barrel, and this is iron. You can actually bake in this, but I thought it was so cute. I do have this little chicken. I got this, I believe I got this at Farm and Fleet, and doesn't really have a home yet. This I have to organize, but as you can see, this is so cute. Ooh, and I have little treasures in here. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. I'm definitely gonna put this away. This I actually broke, but the E6000 glue is awesome. I glued that back together. Here's another spoon rest, and I did get both of these at Big Lots. And this little griddle came with the stove. This, you guys, I got from the Dollar Tree. I mean, look how cute that is. This is glass. This is really, really cute. I love roosters and chickens, and I did get this in a Home Goods. And of course, there's treasures inside. I got this at Home Goods. I mean, this is like so cute. I wish I could put this on my shelf, but it's too big. And this is also a dough bowl that I got from Home Goods. This was a little pricey, but this is solid. This is what they used to use back in the day. They used to put their bread in here to rise. And actually, there are larger ones that actually like were used for French bread and whatnot. So, yes, this is kind of like my catch-all. Kind of have, you know, my keys. Some sunblock and lip gloss, and of course my hand sanitizer. And there's more lip gloss right here, and of course some loose change. And so my kitchen is lived in. This is real life. I have just some hand sanitizer here, lip gloss, sunblock, more hand sanitizer, some goodies for my purse, keys, and sunblock for the lips, and of course I have more lip gloss here. So my kitchen is lived in. Over here it is a little bit messy. I'm getting ready to do another DIY on some sunglasses. Make sure that you check out my last video. And this is like an old, this is really cool. This is a butter mold. This is really, really old from back in the day. As you can see, look. I mean, this will never come apart. And oh my gosh, isn't this cute? I don't really want to hang these on the wall yet. I'm not sure actually what I'm gonna do. This is actually for matchsticks with all of these. This is really, really old too. And this back here, I just hung that up there for temporary. And this right here is for paper towels. But again, you know, I'm still in the process of decorating, so we'll get there. This is all my pink utensils. These are just, you know, from what I put in my, to put in my arrangements. These are all antique. And yeah, it's a little messy right now, but again, we're still working on it, but I wanted to show you guys. Oh, and this back here, oh my gosh, okay. So some really cool things in here. I mean, this is a huge, like, martini glass. Fabulous, darling. Oh, and these, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I did get this from Dollar General. Again, I am just so obsessed with the flamingos. These, actually, I got last year from Target. And this also I got from Target, and these as well. So it's a good idea to keep it in a spot instead of going out, you know, and just buying new things all the time. I keep these in a spot, and for spring and summer I bring these out. Definitely save a lot of money. And then up here above my refrigerator I have another rooster. I have a basket back there with some old-fashioned items. And this one right here I did get from my friend Susie, and I know he's a little weird looking, but for some reason I just really liked him. Also, there's our Lord as well. This was hand carved in wood. And that's what the top of my refrigerator looks like for right now. So again, this is a work in progress. It's a little messy. I love this. This is a farm to market. I just put, you know, my little guys in here. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Just, I don't know, I'm obsessed with flamingos. And here it is, Mr. Rooster. Welcome to the coop. And then there's a TV I haven't hooked up yet. I do have one in the living room, so I'm not sure actually what I'm going to do with it. Cute. I got these from the Dollar Tree, the same with this. Also these, they're little hooks. And this one I got when I went to Florida. Oh my gosh, he's been broken about 5 times. And got this in Fort Myers, but I glued him together. Over here I have my cascading plant. I'm sure you guys have saw this many, many times. This is growing like a little weed. And this I actually got from Michael's. I mean, this looks like so real. I just really like picks in all of my plants. This as well. This I guess I got from the Dollar Tree. So cute. This is my potting bench, and we're definitely gonna move some items around. I already have been, and I actually don't want to put this outside because it will ruin. So, look how cute that is. So cute. This is my laser light. And this is the tree that the Barbie used basically for like a trampoline. I'll show you later when the lights are out what it looks like. So up here is still blank again. I don't have a lot of space to hang anything, but you know, believe it or not, I really like my walls kind of plain. I do have a lot of things to hang up, but I just still haven't decided. And this is my little pantry right here. And I always like to have something for Christmas just hanging around. And this is the bottom of the desk. I actually got this at Home Goods. This is so cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. And this I also got from Big Lots. This was like, you guys, this was like $1 something. I think it was close to $1. I mean, it was on clearance. That was for Halloween. This is the top of my desk. This is antique. It holds thread, and this piece is broken, so I'm gonna glue it. I almost said sew. No, I'm gonna glue it back together. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I wanted to leave this outside, but parts of it started to break, so I did glue it again using the E6000. I mean, that stuff works on like everything. And my friend Sue gave this to me as well. She moved to Arizona. So cute. Just has some, you know. Oh, my sunglasses in there. And here's Mr. Rooster, just holding more items. And then right here is, I got this from Big Lots a long time ago. You guys, I've had this thing for many, many years. And you can put a lot of things in here. I mean, this is so cute. I actually want to make one of these days. Oops, this way I almost knock it off. And this right here, I got this at Home Goods. Again, more treasures inside of here. And this is kind of like wood and cardboard. And I mean, oh my gosh, it's just like, it's just so cute. One of these days, I'm going to have to pull my refrigerator out because I'm sure the kids have knocked some of my treasures back there. Honey, what's the matter? Do you want to be in the video? Okay. Why are you yelling? Why are you yelling? I'll take you out later and we'll play, okay? I know, I know. Well, imagine that. I'm going to take a little cookie break. Mmm. So I hope you guys enjoyed my mini tutorial of my kitchen. There's still a lot of things I need to do. I have so many things to hang up, you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I just need to, like, you know, hang them in the garage or something. So I will see you guys really, really soon. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. And if you are not subscribed, please, and hit the notification bell and leave a comment. What was your favorite item? Are you working on your kitchen right now? Do you change it as much as I do? And until next time, my beauties, mwah, XO. I'm gonna finish my cookie. Seriously? I'm trying to film here, honey. Coco! Coco? Honey, I'm trying to film. I'm trying to film, okay? Okay?